At Kwikset, we think people shouldn't have to settle when it comes to home security. For over 60 years, we've believed that innovation is our greatest asset, and the strongest insights come from understanding the people who use our products and how they use them. Everything we've learned has led us to one simple premise. The best security is smart security, and that smart security is seen today with Kwikset's Home Connect Deadbolt with Z-Wave technology. Homeowners can now combine stylish door hardware with the latest in functional innovation. The set features decorative hardware's only motorized deadbolt for true one-touch locking, and access codes that can be customized for family and temporary access. When paired with home automation systems, the Home Connect technology enables the door lock to communicate wirelessly with other home functions. Just imagine being greeted as you arrive. The door unlocks. The alarm disables. Lighting and temperature adjust. You can unlock your home with a smartphone to allow entry to a contractor. Then lock the doors and activate the alarm after they leave. Or when your child arrives home from school, the system can notify you with a text message. Advanced home automation technology also allows the lock and home security system to be controlled from anywhere within the house. The innovative Smart Code Deadbolt, the smarter way to connect to your home, is available in multiple finishes and is compatible with Kwikset's Smart Code lever. For over 60 years, millions of families have relied on Kwikset for smart and simple home security and believe that the best security is smart security.